Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Zamboanga ang Sarangani 82-67. Best player of the game si Paul Torco sa likod ng kanang 15 points, 9 rebounds at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Sawat ng 14 points, Altamirano 7 points, Torco 15 points, Salim 0 point, Sumang 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Mosquida ng 4 points, Ona 13 points, Kalisay 9 points, Rojas 12 points, Michael R 2 points, Gabat 6 points. Para naman sa natalong Sarangani, Diputado 11 points, Gozom 18 points, Brengas 13 points, Halyari 7 points, Velches 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Sunga ng 10 points, Destacamanto 6 points, Alves 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Wagi naman ang Quezon Huskers kontra sa Cebu 58-45. Best player of the game si LJ Gonzalez sa likod ng kanyang 12 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists at 4 steals. Nagtala naman si Fuentes ng 7 points, Sandagon 0 point, Magbuhos 10 points, Yero 0 point, Gonzalez 12 points. Nag-ambag naman si Dario ng 5 points, Tagle 3 points, Opeso 13 points, Gabayne 3 points, Abondo 1 point, Banal 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Cebu, McCarthy 5 points, Holmves 3 points, Imperial 0 point, Martel 9 points, Santos 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Tampos ng 4 points, Lipalam 6 points, Tarosa 4 points, Hamon 2 points, Manligis 10 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Dinaig naman ng Jinsan Warriors ang Bataan 77-74. Best player of the game si Aaron Hirota sa likod na kanang 10 points, 3 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Nagtala si Mark Cross ng 12 points, Rodriguez 10 points, Tolentino 9 points, Hirota 10 points, Aprico 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Kosari ng 2 points, Brenga 7 points, Masaglang 2 points, Tan 1 point, Yu 11 points, Dionisio 8 points. Para naman sa natalong Bataan, Darang 8 points, Vera 7 points, Javier 6 points, Gabawan 5 points, Sason 12 points. Nag-ambag naman si Brengas ng 10 points, Ramos 4 points, Ramirez 2 points, Kani 10 points, Kapolong 6 points. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 18, 2025 na gaganapin sa Caloocan Sports Complex. Maglalaban ang Batangas at Imos alas 4 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Pampanga at Marikina alas 6 ng gabi. Magtutos naman ang Caloocan at Mindoro alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of March 17, 2025. Abra 2 wins 0 loss, Pangasinan 2 wins 0 loss, Nueva Ecija 2 wins 0 loss, Pampanga 1 win 0 loss, Quezon City 1 win 1 loss, Manila 1 win 1 loss, Ilagan Isabela 1 win 1 loss, Pasay 1 win 1 loss, Valenzuela 1 win 1 loss, Caloocan 0 win 1 loss, Bataan 0 win 2 losses, Bulacan 0 win 2 losses, Marikina 0 win 2 losses, Pasig 0 win 0 loss, San Juan 0 win 0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of March 17, 2025. Jinsan Warriors 2 win 0 loss, Quezon Huskers 2 win 0 loss, Rizal 2 win 0 loss, Zamboanga 2 win 0 loss, Cebu 1 win 1 loss, Imos 1 win 1 loss, Mindoro 1 win 1 loss, Batangas 0 win 1 loss, Basilan 0 win 2 losses, Binyan 0 win 2 losses, Sarangani 0 win 3 losses, kasama ang Bacolod, Davao Occidental, Muntinlupa at Parañaque. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.